Unlock the secret to creating jaw-dropping WordPress websites without writing a single line of code using the incredible Elementor page builder. First things first, let's get Elementor installed on your WordPress site. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then add New, search for Elementor, click Install Now, and then Activate. Once activated, it's time to dive in. You can edit an existing page or create a new one-click edit with Elementor. On any of your pages or posts, this will open the Elementor editor, a visual playground where your design dreams come to life. On the left, you have your Elementor widget panel. These are the building blocks of your design: a circumflex euros, headings, text editors, images, buttons, and so much more. Simply drag and drop any widget onto your page canvas on the right. Feeling overwhelmed by starting from scratch? No problem. Click the folder icon at the bottom of the builder to access the Elementor template library. You'll find stunning pre-built pages and blocks that you can insert and customize. Now comes the fun part: customization. Click on any element on your page. The left sidebar will dynamically update to show its settings. You can tweak text content, change colors, adjust fonts, modify borders, add animations, and essentially control every visual aspect. Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop functionality extends to layouts too. You can easily rearrange sections, adjust column widths by simply dragging their edges, and create complex multi-column structures. Whether you're building a blog, an online store, or a business website, Elementor empowers you to craft a professional and visually appealing online presence, all without touching a line of code. So start experimenting, exploring, and designing your unique website today.